Hello friends, welcome all of you to my YouTube channel English by English. This is a video about the past continuous tense. Okay, firstly, shall we discuss what is the structure of past continuous tense? The past continuous tense structure is subject plus was verb plus verb ing plus object plus rest. Okay, we can use was with I, he, she, it or any other singular subject. We can use were with we, you, they or any other plural subject. Okay, shall we go to look at what are the examples of past continuous tense? Examples are people were living happy those days. A girl was looking at me. This sentence people is the subject, then use were. Living is the verb ing, be is the object of the sentence, those days is rest of the sentence. The second sentence, a girl is subject, then use was according to subject, looking is verb ing. Okay, I know you have a question now. It is how to make verb ing. I simply explained it in my previous lesson of the present continuous tense. You can watch that video and get good idea of how to make verb ing. I give links in description area. Okay, shall we move to look at how to make negative form of the past continuous tense? The negative form structure of the past continuous tense is subject plus was were not plus verb ing plus object plus rest. We can use was not as wasn't, were not as won't as short form. Okay, I will give some example for your understanding. My first example is I was not eating rice. In this sentence, I is subject, then use was not according to subject. Eating is verb ing. Rice is the object of the sentence. Okay, I get another example. He was not reading a book. In this sentence also, he is subject, then use was not according to he. Reading is the verb ing. A book is the object of the sentence. Okay, then we can move to look at the question form of the past continuous tense. The question form structure is was plus subject plus verb ing plus object plus rest. Okay, I get some example to familiar this structure for you. Was he going to school? In this sentence, first use was, then use he as sub. Going is verb ing. To school is the object of the sentence. Okay, I I get another example. Were you doing your home? In this sentence, first use were, then use you as sub. Doing is verb ing. Your homework is the object of the sentence. Okay, then we can move to other important part of our lesson. It is usage of the past continuous tense. When it comes to usage of past continuous tense, first usage is interrupted action in the past. We can use the past continuous tense to tell about interrupted action in the past. Examples are, I was watching TV when she called. While she was having picnic, it started to rain. Example for it. And also we can use the past continuous tense to talk about parallel action in the past. As an example, I was studying while he was making dinner. The other usage is the past continuous tense is specific time as interrupted. Examples are, last night at 6 p.m. I was eating dinner. Yesterday at this time I was studying at my desk at work. Okay, then we can move to another part of our lesson. It is past continuous tense passive voice. Okay, first we want to know at what time we can use passive voice. We can use passive voice if we want to tell something without subject or object is not important. In that time, we can use passive voice. In passive voice, there is no subject. It is a very important thing. Okay, shall we move to look at the passive voice structure of the past continuous tense? It is object plus was verb plus being being plus verb past participle plus rest. Examples are, I was being blamed. Register was being marked. In first sentence, I is object, then use was, then use being. Blame is the verb past participle. In second sentence, register is object, then use was, then use being. Marked is verb past participle. Okay, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click bell icon for more, like my Facebook page. If you have any question, drop a comment on comment section.